Hi. Welcome to Inspire UI. Flux Store Multi-Vendors app can show the featured vendors on the home page of the app. In this video, we will show you the way to do this on the drag and drop FluxBuilder tool. Click on the Home tab on the left menu, then select Add New Layout. Scroll down to the end, you will see the featured vendors item. Input the name for this part. Click and hold 2 to 3 seconds, then drag and drop. This is the layout of the featured vendors. You can change the displayed column. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.